Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so today also was a very nice day, right? So maybe most of our exams must be over and we was in a very jolly mood right now. But some of us, some of our friends still have our exams going on. So anyway, best of luck for all those who have their exams, and I hope you all have done well. Who are, whose exams have got over. And today was a wonderful day, and now maybe we have a 20 or 30 days break left. So in the in this small break, right, we can go many places. We can go for picnics, camps. This weather is actually perfect for like for picnics, camps, many things like that. Okay, so anyway, I wish you all had a very nice day, and if anybody had school also, I hope you all have a very nice day in school. And now what you have to do is call me at 0529611 Okay, so today also we'll be having a topic that is a freedom fighter. Now this freedom fighter, her birthday was celebrated as a very famous day actually. Okay, so anyway, before I tell the day's name, the person's name, anything like that, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Sia.
Sia. How are you, Sia?
Fine.
Sia, you called me before also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So Sia, is your does your exams are going on?
Yeah.
Okay, your exams are going on, so best of luck, Sia.
Thank you.
Okay, so how many exams left?
Only one.
Only one. So which exam?
Maths.
Maths. Okay, how's maths, Sia?
Easy.
Easy. Okay. So Sia will score full marks, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So Sia, how is your family?
Fine.
Okay. So Sia, why don't we go for a small song by Sia?
Okay.
Okay. So Sia, which song are you gonna sing for us?
Eden Curtain.
Oh, okay. So maybe that's your favorite song, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So why don't you sing it then?
Eden Curtain. Eden Pune. Turamandirin. Tuvan Pune. Noam Nendin. Yakutun. Vava Mene.
Okay. So maybe only the chorus part, right?
Yeah.
But still, it was really nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so so which all songs you like? Malayalam song, English song. What songs do you like more?
English.
You like English songs more, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, Sia, let's head on to a game now.
Yeah.
Okay, so which game do you want to play?
Riddles.
Riddles. Okay, riddles is your favorite game, I think.
Yes.
Okay, so your riddle is, what invention lets us see through the wall?
What?
What invention lets us see through the wall?
See to the wall.
Wall. So this you might think it's a GK question, but it's a tricky question. So think like in a tricky way.
Painting.
Not painting. You can see a painting through the wall. A painting helps you see the see through the wall.
No.
No, right? So what else is the answer? What do you look out from your what do you look at? How do you look out from your house? So yeah, how do you look out from your house? Like if maybe you want to look how is the traffic in the road, something like that. So what do what do you look through? Okay, no.
Eyes.
Okay, so do you have the answer?
Eyes.
Not ice. We don't keep ice on the wall and then we look through the, this thing, right? Actually, the answer is, no, not a mirror also. We can't see through a mirror, right? So, anyway, the answer is a window.
Oh, window.
Window. So, we look outside through a window. Always window was,
Yes.
yeah, it was a tricky answer. I was going to say window because window is coming in my tongue. Always it's coming. But I am telling, I didn't say window.
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, Sia, I hope you enjoyed the game.
Yes.
And Sia, you'll call me tomorrow also?
Yes.
Okay, Sia, thank you for calling.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Sia who called us. And anyway, I told you we'll be talking about a famous personality, a freedom fighter, you can say. So that freedom fighter, I told you her birthday was recently, celebrated actually. Her birthday is on February 13th. And now you must have all got a clue, right? And February 13th is nothing else than Women's Day. So Women's Day, why do we celebrate Women's Day? We celebrate Women's Day to remember one famous personality, that is Sarojini Naidu. So she is the person I am I have decided to talk about today. Now we can see a picture of Sarojini Naidu, and she's a very famous poet and social activist actually. Okay, so before I go into more details about her, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name, Sachin?
Sachin.
Oh, Sachin, I understood that you are a Sachin itself. That time, so my guess is correct itself, right?
Yeah.
So, Sachin, how's everybody?
Good.
Okay, so must be all, enjoying after, during the holidays, right?
Yeah, tomorrow is my luckiest day.
Tomorrow is the luckiest day, why?
My
Tomorrow is your birthday, March 16th.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember you told me that your birthday was on March 16th.
Yeah.
Okay, so Sachin, anything, what all special for your birthday?
Going out.
Going out. So, are your cousins, relatives are not coming with you?
No.
Okay, so where are you going? Where are you going to enjoy? Global Village. There are many,
Magic
maybe.
Planet.
I didn't hear you.
Magic Planet. I'm going to Global Village April because my cousins are coming from India. That's it.
Okay, so you're going to Magic Planet. So have have so much fun. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So say you can take some pictures and send it to us, right?
Yeah, I'll send you a picture today.
Okay, send a picture of Sachin, send a picture of yourself, and we will be playing a special song for you, and we'll be wishing you a very happy birthday tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, Sachin. So you know the email ID, right? kiddokids@ntvua.com.
Yeah.
Okay. So you send it. So we must have received it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Sachin. So exams are over. So what are you are you planning to do in these holidays? Besides going to malls, picnics, something like that, what are you planning to do in your house?
Like now spring is coming here.
Yeah, spring is coming. It's springtime now.
I do spring cleaning.
Okay, so now spring cleaning time.
Now I'm not a player.
Okay, so now it's time for spring cleaning, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So who told you to spring? Actually, why are you spring cleaning? Can you tell me that?
Because now before I did like type of winter requirement study table was crumbled with when it was winter in summer I used to clean my
Hello? Okay, I guess the call had got dropped, and anyway, maybe be more attentive next time, and maybe stay away from the TV like that. Okay, so I told you we'll be talking about Sarojini Naidu, and Sarojini Naidu, I told you she's a very famous poet and a social activist, and she studied at the King's College in London, and also she was always inspired by Jawaharlal Nehru. Actually, she was her inspirational leader. We have many inspirational leaders in our life also, like our parents, our teachers, our friends, all people like that are inspiration leaders for us. So that Sarojini Naidu's leader was Jawaharlal Nehru. So anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Johan.
Johan, how are you?
Fine.
Johan, how was your day today?
Good.
Okay, so I think your holidays must have started.
No, my exam is still going on.
Exams are still going on. So when are they getting over?
Yeah, this Wednesday.
This Wednesday. Okay, maybe 2 or 3 exams left.
Yeah.
Okay, so today which exam did you have?
Easiest.
Easiest. Let me guess. Moral science.
No.
Oh, then which one? Arabic.
No.
Okay, then I stop guessing. You only tell me.
Science.
Science, easiest of all.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a doubt about that. Which grade are you studying in, Johan?
Third.
Third grade. Okay. So then science will be really easy. You when you grow up, then you will you won't say the same thing about science.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, because I had a doubt, I had a doubt whether you were in sixth or third, fifth, like that. So now my doubt is clear. You are in third grade. So
Yeah.
science was very easy. So how do you think you did for your exams?
Huh?
How do you think you did for your exams? Very nice.
Good. I did everything correct.
You will get everything correct. Sure, right?
Sure.
Okay. So stay confident. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, let's head on to a game now.
Okay.
Okay. So which game do you want to play?
Atlas?
Atlas. Okay. Maybe I think Atlas is your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you start, Johan.
Portugal.
Portugal. L. London.
London.
Yeah, London.
M.
Yeah, now you have to tell me a place, country, something with
Nigeria.
N. Nigeria. A. Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. M.
Yeah.
Malibu.
Okay. Malibu, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now maybe the ending letter is U.
No, S.
S, right?
Yeah.
Okay. S. Singapore.
Singapore. E.
Yeah. E.
Egypt.
Egypt. T. Tibet.
Huh?
Tibet.
That's T.
Yeah. Again T for you.
Mm,
There's a place in Japan with T.
Tuscany?
I didn't hear you.
There's a country like that.
I didn't hear you actually.
Tuscany. Tuscany.
Okay, but I have never heard about it. Anyway, no problem. So it was a very nice game, right? Right?
Yeah.
Johan, so so what do you plan to do in your full holidays and stuff?
I'm going to Colombo.
You're going to Colombo. Okay, so for how many days are you going? 1 week?
Yeah, 1 week.
Okay, 1 week. So have fun, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, so Johan, tomorrow also you'll call me?
Yeah.
Okay, Johan, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Johan who called us. And anyway, we were talking about Sarojini Naidu, and I told you she was a very prolific writer, and she was actually the first woman to become a governor, and as well as the Indian National Congress. She was the president of the Indian National Congress. She was the first woman to become the president of INC. So she was one of the members who who formed the Constitution of India. So she was also part, she took part in the freedom, national freedom movement, and also during the partition of Bengal, she became in contact with prominent independent leaders like Annie Besant, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, all these people. So we have heard about all these people. Annie Besant, a very famous freedom fighter of India. Even if she was British, but still she helped in Indian, Indian National Congress, everything like that. And we have Mahatma Gandhi ji who helped her, everything like that. So even Rabindranath Tagore, actually, he also was a really famous person during Sarojini Naidu's time, and Sarojini Naidu was also inspired by Rabindranath Tagore to write, poems, stories, or like that things. So anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Ishani.
Ishani. How are you, Ishani?
I am fine.
Ishani, which grade are you in?
I am in grade 1. I am going to grade 2.
Okay, so now you are going to grade 2.
Yes.
Okay, Ishani, do you have any brothers or sisters, and what are their names?
I don't have.
Okay, so you don't have. So who do you play with, Ishani?
God.
I didn't hear you. Who do you play with, Ishani?
God.
Okay. So anyway, Ishani, so do you know any rhymes that you learn in school?
Yes.
Okay, so can you sing one rhyme like that for me?
Okay. The farmer plants a seed, The farmer plants the seed. I-O. The farmer plants the seed. The farmer plants the seed. I-O, the cherry-O. The farmer plants the seed. The sun begins to shine. The sun begins to shine. I-O, the cherry-O. The sun begins to shine. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. I-O, the cherry-O. The rain begins to fall. The plants begin to grow. The plants begin to grow. I-O, the cherry-O. The plants begin to grow.
Okay, so that was a very nice rhyme, right? Ishani? Hello.
Hello?
Okay, so Ishani, now let's go for a small game then.
Yes.
Okay, so now you have to tell me 5 words that start with the letter E.
Elephant.
Elephant. Now 5 words you have to tell me. You only told me 1 word.
Eye.
Okay, eye,
Ears.
ears. 2 more. Just 2 more. Okay.
don't know.
Okay, no problem, Ishani. Anyway, you told me 3 words, right? That's more than enough. Okay, so Ishani, tomorrow also you'll call me Ishani?
What?
Tomorrow you'll call me Ishani?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Ishani who called us, a very small little girl. She sang a nice rhyme for us, everything. So now I was talking about Sarojini Naidu. So anyway, let's go for a short video on Sarojini Naidu, and this, with this video might tell a lot of information also. So everybody, watch it curiously.
Sarojini Naidu, born on February 13, 1879, died March 2, 1949. Achievements: she was the first Indian woman to become the President of the Indian National Congress and the first woman to become the Governor of a state in India. Sarojini Naidu was a distinguished poet, renowned freedom fighter and one of the great orators of her time. She was famously known as Bharatiya Kokila, the Nightingale of India.
Okay, so that was a very informative, video on Sarojini Naidu, and it was like a brief information on her. And even I will be, maybe most of us didn't understand, maybe, but I will be telling more further information. So Sarojini Naidu, she was, I told you, she was the first woman governor and the president of INC. So now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Nadia.
Nadia. How are you, Nadia?
Fine.
So Nadia, is this the first time you're calling me?
No.
Okay.
Good time.
Okay, so you have called me before also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Nadia, now let me recap. So which grade are you in?
I'm in 6th.
You're in 6th grade. So how are your exams over or are they going on?
It's going on.
It's going on. Okay. So where are you calling from right now?
From home itself.
Okay, but which place?
What?
Which place are you calling from now?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Okay. So which school do you go to?
The modern school, Mustafa.
Okay. So anyway, Nadia, what are your hobbies, Nadia?
To dance.
To dance, okay.
For what? Nothing else.
Nothing else, okay. So do you go for any dancing classes?
What?
Do you go for dancing classes?
No.
Okay, so anyway, you just enjoy dancing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you, have you gone for any, college, like competitions and like that?
Not competition. I participated in a dance.
Okay, you have participated in a dance competition.
What?
You have participated in a dance competition.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So anyway, Nadia, let's do you know about all the games we have here?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have I have a special game actually. So do you want to play that game?
What is it?
It's actually maybe you have not heard about it. The game's name is Bus.
I don't know what.
Okay.
I just wrote.
Okay, maybe maybe you don't want to play that.
I want to play a riddles.
Riddles is over.
And then
Now I have GK questions, sentence making, spelling, connection game, tongue twister.
tongue twister.
Okay, so you want tongue twister. So your
Yeah.
tongue twister is Santa's short suit shrunk.
I didn't understand.
Santa's. You heard that?
Panther.
Santa's short.
Panther short.
Santa's short suit shrunk.
Panther short.
Not panthers. Not panther. You know Santa Claus, right? Santa Claus.
Oh, Santa Claus. Okay.
Yeah, so Santa's
Santa
short
short
suit.
foot
No, suit
suit
shrunk.
sunk.
Yeah. So tell me that.
And
Tell me this 3 times continuously.
Santa's foot.
Santa's short suit shrunk.
Santa's short fruit trunks. Santa's short fruit trunks. Santa's short fruit trunks.
Shrunk.
Santa's short fruit trunks.
Shrunk.
Sunk.
Okay, so very nice.
Thank you.
You did the challenge.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so now I hope you enjoyed the game.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for calling. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so we are talking about Sarojini Naidu, and also I told you she's a very famous poet, right? So one of her books are The Golden Threshold, and Sarojini Naidu actually had many credits to her, including a notable contribution to the Indian independence movement. And also she joined the movement at the back of after the Bengal partition at 1905, and since then she stuck to her commitment to the cause. So while she was working for this Indian National Congress also, she was actually, I told you, she was inspired by Jawaharlal Nehru, and also she was introduced to many eminent personalities such as Mahatma Gandhi ji, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, then Jawaharlal Nehru, and she actually shared a very special bond and a very good rapport with them. So inspired, she was actually inspired by Jawaharlal Nehru, and inspired by him, she embarked on providing help and support to the workers of Indigo. Actually, Indigo workers in Champaran, and who are being subjected to violence and oppression. So she was also very famous for she actually helped and supported the Indigo workers in Champara. Okay, because they were always facing violence and oppression, so she actually helped all of them, and she actually got the name the Nightingale of India too, because she was a real hero to all the people of India. So that's why she got the title the Nightingale of India. So anybody asks you who is the Nightingale of India, or Sarojini Naidu is more famously known as who, what? So the answer is the Nightingale of India. Okay, so now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kevin, how are you, Kevin?
Fine.
Okay, is this the first time you're calling me, Kevin?
Yeah, this is first time I'm calling you.
Okay, so Kevin, which grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
8th grade. So could you reduce the volume of your TV a little?
Yes, yes. Hello?
Okay, so now okay. So Kevin, I didn't hear, which grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
You're in 8th grade, so maybe now going to 9th.
Yeah.
Okay. So how was your exams, everything?
Yes, a good exam. I enjoyed it.
Okay, enjoyed everything, right?
Yep.
Okay, so do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, two sisters.
You have two sisters.
Yes.
What are their names and which grade are they in?
Christine, which is in 5th grade, and I have a small sister, Caitlin. She is just 3 years old.
She's just 3 years old. Okay. So, do you fight with your sisters?
Yeah, sometime, yes.
Okay, sometimes because you have your 5th grade, sister, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so, I hope you all, you did your best for your exams and now,
I did good.
okay, so you did good. So, you must be hoping for very nice results, right?
Yes, I got my results.
Okay, you got your results already. Okay, so how was it?
Yeah, good, very good.
Very good. Okay. So anyway, do what are your hobbies actually?
My hobby is like dancing, drawing, and playing football.
Okay, so do you go for any dancing classes or something?
I don't go to dancing classes, but I go for shows, dancing shows.
Okay, dancing shows. Like example, can you give me some?
Like the Rangoli.
Okay, like that. Okay, so who trains you for these dancing shows actually?
My school teacher.
Okay, your school. So you go from your school for that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you are more interested in dancing like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Kevin, now do you know about the games we have here?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so actually we have many games. We have 8-9 games, and like suppose one person uses one game, then the the whole episode we cannot use that game again.
Okay.
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 Okay, so now we have a special game also today. That is maybe you know about the game Bus.
Sorry?
The game Bus.
Bus.
Yeah.
I don't know what is that.
Okay, the game is like let's play the game with the multiples of 5. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like you say 1, then I say 2, and we continue like that, 3, 4, like that. Okay.
Okay.
And but nobody is supposed to tell the multiples of 5 or 5. Like
Okay, I understand. I know this game.
yeah, instead of 5, you have to say Bus.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'll start.
Oh, you start.
Okay, 1,
2,
3,
4,
Bus,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Okay, you're out actually.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, not good.
Okay, you're not supposed to say 10.
Oh, yeah, it's multiple of 5. Yeah, I get it.
Okay, so I was waiting for a very a very competitive game, but suddenly everything got over.
Uh,
So anyway, no problem. Okay, so next time when you call me, you can play a little more further.
yeah, okay.
Okay, Kevin, tomorrow also you'll call me.
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay, thank you for calling, Kevin. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Kevin who called us, and actually he's a first time caller. And anyway, we are talking about Sarojini Naidu, and Sarojini Naidu, she I told you she was a prolific writer and a poet. So the first volume of her poetry was The Golden Threshold, that she actually published in 1905 during the partition of Bengal, and after which 2 more collections, The Bird of Time and The Broken Wing, arrived in 1912 and 1917 respectively. And in 1916, actually, she authored and published a biography of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Jinnah, actually, this person, she was also he was also a very inspirational leader, and Sarojini Naidu also took him as a very, as her inspiration. So she wrote, she authored and published a biography, and as the actually as the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity. So actually this is the story about Sarojini Naidu. These are the facts about Sarojini Naidu, and she passed away on March 2nd, 1949 in Lucknow, India. Now what we do to remember this this huge actually a very famous person in history of India, what we do is we celebrate the Women's Day. So Women's Day is celebrated on Sarojini Naidu's birthday. So that is how we remember Sarojini Naidu. So today's topic, I hope you all liked today's topic, and now I hope you all have very nice holidays also. Now cricket, cricket ICC is going on, and you can you can watch matches like that. India haven't lost even one match till now, and India is the only team that haven't been beaten in the Pool B team actually. beaten. So India was the only team like that. So we can all be proud. And also, I hope you all have a very nice day today. And also, now let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. What's your name?
Alan.
Alan.
Yeah.
Okay, Alan. Which grade are you in?
I am in 6th grade.
You're-
going to be in 7th.
Okay, so you're in 6th grade, going to be in 7th.
Yeah.
Okay. So are your exams going on, or are they over?
Yeah, it's finished. It's finished.
Okay.
We didn't get our results yet. Tomorrow I have to go to school to get my results.
Results, books, new books, and all, right?
Yeah. Not new books. Now I'm calling from Abu Dhabi.
Okay, you call.
Like, I was studying in Dubai. Now I'm in Abu Dhabi.
Okay, so now you shifted your school, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So now are you settled in Abu Dhabi, or are you in Dubai right now?
Yeah, I am settled in Abu Dhabi.
Now you are in Abu Dhabi, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it must have been really sad to leave all your friends and all.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you still in touch with them?
Yeah, like maybe calling like I will call them.
Yeah, calling like that. Anyway, no
Yeah.
problem. Okay, we can, or you can stay in touch with them. They can call you like that.
Okay.
So how do you what do you expect your new school, new friends, or new teachers to be?
Like I don't know anything about them. No, I have to become like I want to know them and all.
Okay, so which school are you going to now?
Abu Dhabi Indian School.
Okay, so my previous school, a really nice school.
Oh.
Okay, when I was when I was really small, I used to study there.
Okay.
Okay, so your exams over, everything nice. So you'll get your results tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, what are your hobbies actually, Alan?
Like playing football, like playing,
Playing is your hobby.
reading books.
Reading books. So what kind of books do you enjoy reading?
Big Nate.
I didn't hear you.
Tinkle. Big Nate.
Oh, okay. And then Tinkle, like that,
Tinkle.
comic books.
Yeah.
Comic books.
Tinkle also.
Yeah, Tinkle, comic books, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, let's go for a game now.
Yeah.
So which game do you want to play?
Bus.
Bus. Okay. So will I start or you start?
What?
Okay, I'll start then. Okay.
Which table?
Okay, we'll do it tables of 5 itself.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, 1,
2,
3,
4.
bus.
Oh, you are out. You didn't say bus.
I said bus.
Oh, okay. 6,
7,
8,
9,
bus.
11,
12,
13,
14,
bus.
16,
17,
18,
19,
bus.
21,
22,
23,
24.
25. Oh, okay.
Oh, you said.
Oh, okay. I said 25, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Anyway, no problem. I became out.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the game.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, Alan, thank you for calling. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, so that was Alan who called us. And anyway, now, nowadays we have a new show that's going to begin. That's Arangetam. So it's actually a show for very talented children who are talented in singing, dancing or instrumental music. So if you're also one of those talented people like that, you can also, participate in this live show in NTV. So, and you can be a part of this show, and all you have to do is contact, email to ar@ntvua.com with your information, contact ID, anything like that. So anyway, let's go for a short rhyme now. So it's actually this rhyme